the life of John the Beloved. So siya yung nagsulat ng maraming verses about love. Even yung John 3:16, he understood so much about the love of God. Napapaisip ako, bakit kaya siya yung nagsulat ng maraming verses about love? Ang dahilan para is because he understood what the love of God is. Naranasan niya mismo ito sa Panginoon. Diba, most of us are pressured into loving God the way He loved us, and we cannot do that ever dahil ang pag-ibig ng Diyos ay hindi natin kayang pantayan. Pero ito pala ang hinihingi ng Panginoon. John 15 verse 9, as the Father loved me, si Jesus yung nagsasalita dito, I also have loved you. Abide in my love. Meaning, God is not expecting us to love Him back ng the way He loved us. But what He is expecting us to do pala is just to remain in His love. It's not about our love for God, but it is about God's love for us. Naunawaan ni John kung gaano siya kamahal ng Panginoon. Same thing that God is asking of you ngayong oras na ito. He is not asking na pantayan mo yung pag-ibig niya, kundi ang hinihingi niya ay manatili